I'm Tequila B with TruLuv Designs, and I'm just going to recap what I made in September and November. I used 3 patterns, but there are 4 makes. So let's hop into the first one. Okay, this first dress was made using Mimi G's Simplicity pattern S9598. This is the dress with the cutouts in the back and the beautiful knot here. I really love this design on this dress. The dress was not hard to make, but there were a lot of steps. A lot of top stitching and edge stitching and things like that. Some stuff that I would just rather not have done. I really love this dress. It went very well with the hat that I wore, and it gave me Kentucky Derby vibe. It reminded me of seeing those women in their nice dresses and their big hats at the horse races. But if you want to know the process that I went through with this dress, you have to watch that video. I'll leave a link to that video in the description box. Make number 2 is this beautiful romper, and this was made using McCall's M8069. I absolutely loved this romper. I wore it out and got lots of compliments. People even thought I bought it out of the store, and when I said I made it, they were very surprised. So I love this. I consider this a big success. This romper gave me so much confidence. I mean, I can't describe how confident I felt in this romper. Make number 3 was also made using McCall's M8069. This is the jumpsuit version. And this may look black on screen, but it's actually not. It's actually a dark brown. It's very pretty, very soft. I love the feel of it. And to be honest, this could be worn even now in the fall time, because most of the times whenever we go somewhere, we're not wearing our coats and our jackets inside, we're taking them off. So as long as where you are has adequate heat, you'll be okay. Because trust me, if I go somewhere and I feel like the climate inside is going to be right, I just might throw this bad boy on. But I also love this, of course, because I love the romper. So the jumpsuit was awesome. Awesome, awesome. And if I make another jumpsuit, I may just kind of make the legs a little bit more narrow. I really didn't think I would like this because of the wide legs, but I did. I loved it. And my husband, he was like, man, if you had some more of that fabric, you could have made me a vest. And the back of my vest could have been this material with the black on front. And he was absolutely right. I may have enough fabric to pull that off. I'm going to look and see. But if I do, I'm definitely going to make him a vest. Now, this 4th and final make was made using Simplicity S9385. It is a sweater top. And I use some, I think this is Ponte knit. And I absolutely love how this came out as well. The version that I made, it's supposed to be a crop top, but of course on me, it was not cropped. It came right down below my natural waist where I actually wanted it to stop. So it was actually perfect. I didn't have to make any adjustments to the length of this sweater. And the cuffs came out perfect. All of it. I love everything about this sweater. I wore this for a group photo that we were taking at work, and everybody absolutely loved it. So did I, and I will be making another one of these because it's cold here, and they're already talking about freezing temperatures here in Texas, and I don't like cold weather, okay? And especially when it's cold and raining. On a day like today, they're talking about rain, and I'm not for it. I'm not. But I do love this sweater, and I'm going to make some more because I don't usually find too many sweaters that I just like or that fit me right. I don't like those sweaters that are like really thick and bulky and look like they add weight all the way around. I can't stand that. So I would rather just make my own sweaters that fit how I want them to fit. And S9385 is that sweater. Unless I run into another one that I like, you know, it's going to be this one for now. But we'll see. So that Simplicity dress and the romper were both made in the month of September. I made the romper as my muslin for the Soul Rump Jump Play 22 challenge that was hosted by V over at 85th and Wade. And the jumper and the sweater was made in the month of October. Now you've seen it, go make it and slay it.